Would you like to learn how to make a delicious crawfish etouffee just like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you'll need for this crawfish etouffee recipe, but the exact ingredient list, the measurements and such will be in the description box below. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is get a roux going. I have my pot on medium-low heat and I'm going in with some butter as well as some avocado oil. The butter is for flavor and the avocado oil is so that the butter doesn't burn. A roux is equal parts fat and equal parts flour, so flour going in. And then you just want to keep stirring constantly. You don't want to take your eye off the roux because I had to switch to a whisk because the roux can burn easily. So we're just going to keep stirring for about 4 to 6 minutes until the roux reaches a peanut butter color, just like so, or what they call a blonde roux. Now at this point, we're going to go ahead and add in the Holy Trinity, which is onion, celery, and multicolored bell peppers. Now I'm going to give this a stir and let the veggies cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding in the garlic. I add the garlic last because garlic has a tendency to burn. I also added in some leeks, but those are optional. I just happen to love any type of onions. Obviously, I love garlic too. That's why I put in like a whole bunch. Now I'm gonna give this a stir before adding in some chopped tomatoes. Now I'll give all the veggies a good stir before seasoning it up a bit with some Cajun seasoning. Now after adding in the Cajun seasoning, I'll keep stirring and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or so before adding in some seafood stock. A good quality seafood stock is what really sets this dish off, like the seafood stock that I made in the video above. You're welcome. But if not, you could use that junk in a box that you get at the supermarket, and you could even use chicken stock if you can't find seafood. I was just trying to help with your palate. Now that we added in the seafood stock, it's time to season it up a bit more. I'm going in with some red pepper, but not too much because I do not like heat in my food. I also added in some seasoned salt as well as some smoked paprika and some herbs de Provence too, or you can use Italian seasoning. Next, I'm going to add in some Why in the World Would They Name It That sauce, as well as some tomato paste and 2 bay leaves too. And then I'll give it a good stir, and you want to give it a taste here. Make sure you don't need to adjust the seasonings. And then I'll allow it to come to a boil, and then I'll cover the pot, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. It will thicken up as it simmers, and then after 30 minutes, you want to go on ahead and add in your crawfish. As soon as you add in the crawfish, you can turn off the heat, cover the pot again, and just let the crawfish heat up for about 2 minutes. It doesn't take long to cook at all, and you don't want to overcook your crawfish. And then lastly, add in some fresh scallions, and after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I'm burning all the wood, so I'm rumbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me still.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. Wow, this crawfish etouffee came out so good. Just packed with flavor, layered with yumminess. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
You like and subscribe, damn you make that feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make that feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make that feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.